What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good afternoon or good morning, good evening, depending on where you're from. And welcome back to this new video on the Burger crypto, which is now Burgercities. It used to be Burger Swap. Well, Burgercities has been really bullish over the last couple of days. It all started this was the last day. It actually started at the beginning of July. I also saw that my older burger videos actually did pretty well, in views per hour. So I already knew that something was going on. But today, when we got this move, I actually had to cover it. I mean, and this is very bullish. Volume is again at 130 million, almost the same as it was right here. So that's great. And Burgercities is actually some sort of a game. I actually played it for a little bit, but I didn't want to go too much into depth on the project, more on the price. That's what we do with this project, or at this channel mostly. But apart from that, I mean, Burgercities, if you check them out right now, they have been very active in marketing and everything that they're doing. So I think you could actually be pretty bullish on Burgercities for the long term as well. Market cap is only at 37 million, so there's definitely room for growth, but you should know that this is a bear market, right? So this is still an old key level, which we actually hit the last hours. And this was my last analysis, which I wanted to keep on the chart for a little bit to show you that this was actually quite accurate. And that this analysis is therefore also going to be accurate. No, I'm just joking. This was a good analysis. I always try my best, but it's obviously not possible to always be right. And in the end, this is my own opinion. So what we did in the last hours, and if we check out over the last 1 hour, this actually happened in the last 60 minutes. We hit this level here at around the lower bound of this whole key level and $2. We hit that, rejected back down, and now the main thing, as you can see, what we did the 2nd of July is we actually hit this resistance level at 1.35, dropped down a little bit towards this level here at around $1. We actually dropped down a little bit lower towards 90 cents. So the main thing right now is, and I want to talk about two things. I want to talk about if we can get higher than this, because frankly, we hit $2. The whole key area is more between like 2.25 and 2.1. So that would be our first price target. And I think we can actually reach that as long as we stay above this 1.5 level. So this level between 1.46 and 1.58. We haven't broken above that yet, but I do think we will close above that level. So as long as we stay above that level, I think we actually got the potential to reach 2.25. as a price target. What would need to happen for that is two things. Bitcoin needs to be a little bit more bullish, so Bitcoin needs to get towards 22,000. No, that's the main thing. And apart from that, it would also be great if we get some more news from Burgercities, but I think that's going to be alright. So if Bitcoin goes up towards 22,000, then I think something like this is going to be the most likely scenario. But you should know that even though we've broken above that $1.5 level and the levels around that, even though that's a great thing, because we now have that as a support, as a strong support, it also is somewhat of a double-edged sword. Because I do think that when we close above that, that will actually function as a support either way. But if we break down below that, it's over. And if we break down below that, we'll probably drop down pretty hard as well, just because it's that strong of a level. You also get quite a strong bearish breakout. So if 1.5 breaks, or we should say if 1.46 breaks, we'll probably first break down to 1.2, but afterwards take a break retest, and I think drop down all the way to 80 cents and 90 cents. So if we break down below 1.46, I think this bull run is over. And I'm not saying that's the most likely scenario, but it is possible, right? And I think you all deserve to know that I think that's a possibility. So yeah, that's basically what I wanted to say about Burger for now. I think if you want to check it out, you can just look them up on CoinMarketCap. There you'll have the app itself and Burger Swap still, communities, all that you need for it. So check that out if you want to. For now though, that was the analysis. So thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.